Om Shanti. Very good morning to one and all. Today we will go through English Abhyakt Mulli as today is Sunday. So we will go through 11th April 2021 revised Murli, and original date of the Murli is 10th December 1987. Heading of the Murli: the elevated deals of the body, mind, wealth and relationship. The elevated deals of the body, mind, wealth and relationship. Today the Father, the ocean of all treasurers and the jewels merchant, is smiling, seeing all his children. He is seeing who are the businessmen, children of the jewel merchant Father, the one with all treasurer, and with whom have they made a deal, the freshest of the one who are offering to make a deal with God, and the one who have made a deal with God are so innocent, and yet they have made such a big deal. These souls are the businessmen who have made such a big deal. People of the whole world are unable to understand this. People of the world consider these souls to be hopeless, extremely poor, and that it is impossible for them. They have been dismissed, thinking, how can these Kumaris and mothers claim a right to a godly attainment? However, the Father has first of all made the mother and Kumaris into elevated personalities who have made the biggest of all deals. The urn of knowledge has first of all been placed on the mother and the Kumaris. He made a poor Kumaris into the mother of the Yajna, the world mother Jagadamba. At least mothers still have some of their own property that they have kept hidden away. But Kumaris are even poorer than the mothers. The Father first made the poorest of all into a businessman. That big deal was to change her from the poorest Kumari into Jagadamba, Lakshmi, the goddesses of wealth. Until today, no matter how much of a multimillionaire someone may be, he would definitely ask Lakshmi for wealth and definitely worship her. The jewel merchant Father is happy to see his businessmen children. By making this deal for one birth, you become constantly prosperous and full for many births. Someone who makes a normal deal, no matter how big a businessman he may be, will simply make a deal of wealth and God's goods. It is only the one unlimited Father who makes a deal of wealth, mind, body and also elevated relationship. Have you seen any other bestower like this? You have made all four types of deal, have you not? Your body will always remain healthy, your mind will always remain happy, your treasurer store of wealth will always remain full, and there will always be selfless love in your relationship. You have this guarantee. Nowadays, people give a guarantee for valuable things. At the most, they would give a 5-year or a 10-year guarantee. What else will they do? But how long a guarantee does the Father, the jewel merchant, give? He gives you a guarantee for many worth. There cannot be even one of the four missing. Even if you become a subject of the subject, in that case too, you will attain all these four things, even until your last birth, that is until the end of the silver age. Have you ever made such a deal? You have made the deal now. Have you must? Have you not? Have you made a firm faith that deal your Baba is only the one, then deal Have you made a firm deal, or is it not so firm? You have made such a low-cost deal with God. What did you give him? Did you give him anything useful? People from abroad always send Bap Dada a symbol of a heart. People of abroad, they always give Bap Dada a symbol of heart. That is, heart is the symbol, means the Bap Dada, mean they are keeping the Bap Dada in their heart, they are loving the Bap Dada from their heart. फॉरेनर्स बाप दादा के पास सदैव दिल बनाकर भेज देते, पत्र भी दिल के चित्र के अंदर रख देते हैं, गिफ्ट भी दिल की भेजेंगे तो दिल दिया ना, लेकिन कौन सी दिल दी? एक दिल के कितने टुकड़े हुए पड़े हैं, माँ बाप चाचा मामा, कितनी लंबी लिस्ट है। अगर संबंध की लिस्ट निकालो कलयुग में तो कितनी लंबी लिस्ट होगी। एक संबंध में दिल दे दिया, दूसरा वस्तुओं में भी दिल दे दी, तो दिल लगाने वाली वस्तुएं कितनी हैं, व्यक्ति कितनी है, सब में दिल लगा के दिल ही टुकड़ा टुकड़ा कर दी। बाप ने अनेक टुकड़े वाली दिल को एक तरफ जोड़ दिया तो क्या दिया क्या और लिया क्या। और सौदा करने की विधि कितनी सहज है, सेकंड का सौदा है ना। बाबा शब्द की विधि है, एक शब्द की विधि है, इसमें कितना समय लगता, सिर्फ दिल से कहा बाबा तो सेकंड में सौदा हो गया। तो इसलिए दिल से कहो बाबा, दिल से कहा बाबा तो सेकंड में सौदा। वरदान है, संगम युग पर हर कर्म कला के रूप में करने वाले सुलभ कला संपन्न भव। संगम युग पर हर कर्म कला के रूप में करने वाले सुलभ कला संपन्न भव। संगम युग विशेष कर्म रूपी कला दिखाने का युग है। जिनका हर कर्म कला के रूप में होता है, उनके हर कर्म का व गुणों का गायन होता है। सुलभ कला संपन्न अर्थात हर चलन संपूर्ण कला के रूप में दिखाई सो टुडे स्लोगन पावरफुल ओह है जो फौरन परख कर फैसला कर दे। पावरफुल ओह है जो फौरन परख कर फैसला कर दे। A powerful person is one who constantly discerns something and takes a decision immediately. May you perform every action as a special act, as the confluence age, and become 16 celestial degree full. May you perform every action as a special act at the confluence age and become 16 celestial degree full. Okay, Om Shanti. Have a good day. God bless you.